I want to give you a quick update about the price. Let's go straight into the charts. I don't want to waste your time. We have here what happened so far. Let's watch quickly. We had this huge falling channel, right? It's perfectly how the Bitcoin respected the line. We had here a small fake out, right? We had here small fake out. I said to you, wait until we break 52,000. Everybody who's not waiting, getting really excited about we are going to big bull market, get wrecked. And this is because this is also why we saw this huge liquidation candles down below, right? So here happened also the next thing, and I told you about this one. I told you if you go back in the videos, you can watch it, because I told you we have here a clear something like a bear flag, right? And I told you exactly this is also the reason why we broke further down. So now let's go. Let's watch what happened so far. Not so far. What happened in the last in the last, just a second, in the last hours and in the last days. So I told you we have here a bull flag, right? The bull flag looks like this, right? And I told you the price tag would be approximately 44,500. We see also here, look, it's also perfectly how it fit in with the price target, because we see here a big resistance, right? So I told you take profits before this price target. And yes, now we are in consolidation. Congratulations to everybody who jumped here into a trade, to my day traders, and make some profits. You can also go in the Telegram group, guys, and see also the people make insane money. We have 1,000 people here right now. 100 are online. If you have any questions, you can ask also them. And if I'm online, I also answering. And if I jump into trades, I also showing in this group or on Twitter. So what will happen now? Some of you also saying why you know it that we are not going further up, guys. If you're watching on the RSI, let me make it a little bit bigger. On the 1 hourly, you see clearly we were overbought. You see, we were overbought here, and we have to consolidate for some time now. And this means either we are consolidating or we are going down, right? So, and what happened right now, we are consolidating, and we see a small bearish divergence also. If we are watching, we have just a second. We have here something like a bearish divergence, right? If we watching from here to here, it's really small. You see here like this, right? And here something like this, right? So we see here small bearish divergence, and this is not this means not that we are going straight down, but it can mean we are going down or we are consolidating. This is always this two option bearish divergence, right? So what can next happen, guys? I have a warning to you. You have to watch on 1 hour. Just a second, let me go on the 1 hourly on Bitcoin price again. And what we see here clearly a huge rising wedge. And this is what I'm a little bit afraid of, because we see RSI is getting losing strength, right? And we see small bearish divergence, and we see also the price of Bitcoin is consolidating, right? So if we break this line, if we're breaking this support line, you see you have many touch points, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we are breaking this line, we are retesting it. The price tag technically would be 40,000, even 40,500 approximately, right? So I'm still in my short position, right? And if you also want to short Bitcoin here, it would go approximately 7%. On 10x average is 70%, right? So this is what you have to watch out. If we break this line, obvious, this will be a really bullish sign because we also breaking here a big resistance, right? So if we are breaking, just a second, let me go on the 4-hourly. If we are breaking, this is the two lines we have to watch. If we are breaking this line, right, we break this resistance and we could easily go to 46,000. So this would be approximately, just a second, let me watch. If we are watching to 46,000, 3.6% on 10x average is 36%, right? So this is the two lines which you have clearly to watch. The rising wedge is a bearish sign. This is a bearish pattern. So please watch if you are in a long trade. Please watch now this line. This line is really important, and I would recommend, if you're in a long trade, to take some profits right now, right? If you're breaking this line, you could jump into a long trade, right? I'm still in my short trade because guys, it's for me, it's the market only bullish. Let me go on the daily. If we are breaking at first, we have to break three big resistance. We have to break this falling channel right here. We have to break above the EMA ribbon on a daily. It's approximately around 49,000. And the biggest thing which we have to break, this is the biggest border which we have to break, is between 52,000, we get rejected here, and 53,000. Because you see here, big resistance, right? You see here, big resistance. You see here, big resistance, right? So the area between, if we break 52, 53, this is where I am jumping on a big long trade, right? You can clearly hear how I told you, make this small trades, right? Here, if we are breaking here to the upside long, or here shorting Bitcoin, but this is more for daily trader. I am more a swing trader, so I am trading over days, right? So if you want to trade, guys, you can find link down below. Bybit and Phoenix, this is where I'm trading. You can claim your bonus at 8,200 euro after initial deposit, right? Bybit and Phoenix each give you 4,100 in bonus. You have read the guidelines to claim your bonus, right? So link down below, guys. And let us watch on Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum, just a second, go on the 4-hourly. Ethereum is doing exactly, I told you here, we broke out of this W, right? And I told you the price target of this W would be approximately 3,500, right? So, but I told you, take profits before this, we reach this price target. Why? Because we see here a big resistance, right? And this also what exactly happened. We retested, failed to pass through, and now we are going for consolidation. Let me watch on the RSI on the 4-hourly. We don't see not too much. On the 1-hourly, we see also bearish divergence. You see here, it's going down. You see here, it's going up, right? So we see clearly bearish divergence. That means also that we are either consolidating or we are going down. We have here to watch also, let me watch on the, this I didn't prepare, this I want now. Okay, we have here also a support line. You see here 1, 2, 3, right? And oh, it could be also, it's, yes, it could be also rising wedge. It could, yes, because we see here 1, 2, 3 touch points also. So also on Ethereum, guys, you have to watch, because RSI is getting weaker. We see volume volume is coming a little bit in, but volume is decreasing. You see volume is decreasing. Ethereum is consolidating, and technically the price target for Ethereum would be again 3,000. So if we are breaking this line, there you could also make a trade approximately 10% down. On 10x leverage, it's 100%. But guys, leverage is only for professional traders. And I am not just speaking, guys. Because I saw this rising wedge. By the way, it told somebody in our Telegram group, link also down below, about this rising wedge. And because of this huge rising wedge which we also see on Ethereum, I sold my Luna, right? I sold my Luna in profit. I made 100,000, bought through spot, and made approximately 7,000 plus. So it's nice for this day. It's also what I clearly saw in the charts, and I told you also. And now you have to be careful because technically we see these bearish patterns. We have clearly to watch it, guys. Have an eye on it, and I will make another video in the evening. I think we will see in the next hours a breakout to the upside or to downside. Watch this resistance and support line, this opportunity to go on a long or on a short trade. But now we are clearly in a bearish mood, so it's safer to go short if we are shorting the line than to long Bitcoin, right? I would personally wait to long Bitcoin, because only I will long Bitcoin if we see the breakout above 53,000 area, guys. But if you want to trade, if you're a professional trader, to long or short Bitcoin, you can go link down below on Bybit and Phoenix and claim your bonus around $8,200 after initial deposit. And if you're not professional trader, you can also make registration and claim your bonus right 8,200 on Bybit and Phoenix, but don't use leverage if you're not professional trader. You can also sign up, claim your bonus, and buy just through spot, like I bought Luna, for example, right? I'm still in my short position. I show you my short position in the video in the evening, and then until then, I wanted to say in German, I kiss you guys.